Well, okay. I'll see how it is. What's up, guys? I promise this channel will not be all Ruckus content. I just got this quad lock for my case, so I wanted to make sure I can put it on the Ruckus right now and also fix this tube that came loose right here. It fits over here, and it's not held on very tight because these are not the right bands. Okay, I got the quad lock on. Boom, boom, really nice. Then I got the hose in. I've just got to get zip ties, but now I'm gonna treat the feel with this thing. I haven't used this one before. Usually I use seafoam and a few other ingredients, but B12 Chem Tool seems to be a good one for these. So I'm gonna dump a little bit in the tank, drive for a little bit and see how it goes. The bike seems a little bit slow, so hopefully this solves the carb issue. Worst case scenario, I'll tear down the carb and actually clean it, but I'm trying to do it this way first before I dive too deep into the bike and I get myself into a situation where I don't have a bike for a few days. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Turn this bad boy on, and then sometimes it requires a quick rev. I wonder if the hose was the problem all this time, because I would have problems starting it up. Just quick little ride. Just going. Oh, love how light this thing is. I wonder how accurate the speed is. So I'm going 21, 25. You guys remember the other day we went through here? It's now blocked off with construction. That was just like a day ago. Look at that. So 31 is tough right now. Let's see how far we can go on this stretch. Yeah, 33. Wide area. Everyone's opened the garage out here, hanging out. All the homes are in the 70s. The population of people a bit older. We're probably one of the younger people in the area. Look at this big old thing. Anybody home? Anybody home? Anybody home? Ooh, nice little truck right there. Beep beep. Anybody here? Look. Everyone's got like cool truck, Beamer, Lexus, the 240's over there. I think they're out for a ride right now because we heard them roll off real fast. So I'm gonna go cruise around just a little bit more. We'll see if they're outside. Oh look, you've got a little FRS over here, a little fresh windows down. I can still feel a flat spot accelerating, so I'll just roll to a throttle, full throttle right here. There's a flat spot right when I initiate it. Fuel cleaner doesn't work, then I'm gonna have to break down the carburetor. Let's go for another run down the street. Tuck in and see what happens. Tuck in. 25. No, 35 max speed, boys. That's about it. That's all we about got out here. The kid sees this bike and they're like, oh look, something for me to ride, Dad. Dad's like, son, that's a 32-year-old man on that little thing you call a motorcycle. I swear, they're gonna call the cops on me, watch. They're gonna be like, there's this little guy riding on a scooter and he keeps riding through my neighborhood. You're not allowed to do such a thing. And then watch, the cops are gonna set up a sting operation on me, take me out. You guys wanna see the house I almost bought? Let me show you guys, hold on. We were looking for a house, right? And we didn't initially try to live out in the east side of everything. But we were looking and we found two houses in this neighborhood. And one of the houses was down on this street. We were like, cool, let's look at this house because this house was like a reasonable price. Took a look and it's an older home. All these homes are built in the 70s. The backyard was super small. So we went and checked it out. See this house? We almost could have lived here. Cool perk was the old man that had the house before had a really cool built garage, really good for like working on cars and stuff, and it had this access right here, so I could have parked all my toys, and this would have been super handy considering my lifestyle. You can see it's pretty much the same as my house, just flipped opposite, except my house has an addition on the back end where you guys see the pool table makes it a little bit bigger. But this one was like super old-fashioned, and we didn't end up getting it because we put a bid on the other house. But then I liked it a lot because it was on a cul-de-sac, and I was like, I love cul-de-sacs, so you can play here and not worry. But the only problem with this was it's on the side, as you guys can see. You see this street side? I don't like, because if you guys are ever looking for a house when you guys get a little bit older, this street side allows criminals to come through here, break into your place over here, and then run out, take off, and go. Don't ask me how I know, just trust me on it. But yeah, we almost got that house pretty close. That was gonna be our second offer actually if we didn't get our house. Oh, gas light just turned on. Woohoo! I better get home. I'll fuel up tomorrow if you guys want to join me tomorrow. One of them left, so that means that one of them is here. Where y'all at? Oh, they closed the garage on us. Well, okay. I'll see how it is. I don't want to talk to you guys anyways. I'm going home. I'm going home. Well, look at this garage. Garage is looking pretty cool, huh? We got a pretty sick ass GTR. You guys don't know from the channel, 1,000 horsepower sitting in the garage right now. That thing puts about 50 horsepower out. No, I'm just kidding. This Tesla's my daily driver. I freaking love it a lot. But right now, this is a GTR is stored away because I keep getting pulled over everywhere I go. So I'm just trying to avoid getting pulled over all the time from police officers doing their job. Trust me, I don't mind. I don't mind they're doing their job. I've accepted the risk of getting pulled over every time I go out and play. I know I've been pretty lucky in my life not to get pulled over all the time, so I'm just being cautious, you know. Looks like I need gas, boys. Tomorrow we can go get some gas if you guys want to go with me, but I think it might rain. If it does rain, then we'll figure it out. But hey, I'm curious. This is cool. Like, you press this thing, turn it, oh, bada bam, and it didn't fly away. Thank freaking goodness. Anyways, if you guys want this, I'll put the link in the description. You guys pick one up. How do you park your little Ruckus? You pick it up, just toss it over. And that's today's video. Thanks guys so much for watching. Like I promised you guys, short little videos. That way I can kind of get the ball rolling on content again. And thank you again for the support. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. Hi.
Hi, Papa.
Hi, baby. Why are you looking so cute? Oh, what is this? What's this on your face?
Syrup.
Syrup.
That's a silly syrup.
You're a silly syrup.
Papa, I'm so tired.
Can we go to sleep?
Not right now. I want to watch you record first.
Okay.